Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we'll discuss about how to create an item and what are the features associated with item creation. To create an item, from the main menu, we can choose Create Item option. Otherwise, in the home screen, by pressing the mouse right button from the pop-up menu, here also we can see the Create Item option. This is the user interface for creating an item. In the top, we can see the auto-generated product number. Here we can see 1075 is the new product number. The meaning is, as of now, we have created 1074 items in our system. Here we have to enter a unique product name. For example, let us create an item churidar 3 pieces set. The item name is churidar 3 pieces set. Means top, bottom and one shawl. By pressing the enter key, system will ask us the selling unit. Means whether the item you are selling is in kg, number, meter, packet, box. What is the selling unit that you have to choose it from this list. Here I am choosing numbers as the unit of measure. Here system will allow us to categorize each item in 3 levels. It means main category, subcategory and child subcategory. This grouping of item is very useful for generating the category based reports. You want to filter all your stock register based on a category or a subcategory, child subcategory. This grouping is very useful. By default, system will pre-select the category based on the category we have selected while creating the last item. Here we can see the category, subcategory, child subcategory is displaying as grocery. The meaning is we have created an item under the category of grocery last time. So to change this category, by clicking the mouse cursor in this category field, system will pop up all the existing category. We can at any moment create new categories. Since it is a garments item, I am choosing the category as garments. Subcategory also I am choosing as garments. Child subcategory also I am choosing garments. This pre-selection is for time consuming while making the data entry of item creation. Now, suppose you are a regular GST payer. Here we have to define the GST percentage of this item you are being created. 2.5 I am giving us CGST. 2.5 SGST will come automatically. Here you have to enter the HSN code. If the similar item with same HSN code you have created earlier, instead of typing, by clicking in this combo box, system will display all the HSN code you have entered earlier. That also you can choose. These are the minimum requirements to create an item. Here we can see a remark area is here. If you want to mention more specification regarding this product, you can mention in this remark area. For example, if you are creating an item, especially an electronic item like laptop, you can mention all the specification and configuration here, like the motherboard type, RAM memory, hard disk information, display information. All such information you can mention in this remark area. Similarly, since it is a garments item we are creating, if you want to mention any specific article number, brand name, style reference, color shade, size, packing information, all that information you can mention here, and this information is optional. Depend upon the nature of your business, we can utilize these features. These features are specifically for printing in the barcode label. Here, suppose while computerizing your firm, if there are opening stock of the product you are creating, you can mention it here. Here we can see opening stock. I am entering. Suppose I have 10 pieces of this churidar 3-piece set at the moment in my shop. I can mention as the opening stock 10 pieces. The MRP of this product, suppose 1400 is the MRP. The cost price is 900. And what is the retail selling price, that you have to mention here. Suppose I am selling it 1350 in retail. As an option, here you can mention the wholesale price. Suppose I am selling this item 1300. If I am selling it on wholesale, entering the wholesale price is optional here. And after that, you have to choose the type of this item. By default, whenever you create an item, system will consider it as a goods. If you are creating it as a service, you have to mention it from this combo box. Here you can mention the country of origin if required. Suppose this product is manufactured in India, and in which rack you are storing this product in your shop, that you can mention here. Suppose A50 is the rack number, then you can mention here. So this racking is very useful. If you want to search a product, immediately if you have mentioned the rack number, you can identify the location of this product where it is kept in your store. This will be very easy for the sales people to take out the product in a fast way. Here in this area, whenever you create an item, system will assign a default system generated barcode. Here we can see 001075 is the default system generated barcode. If the product is having any manufacturer's barcode, and if you wish to keep, instead of our default barcode, you wish to keep the manufacturer's barcode, what is printed on the item, you can customize it by removing the existing system generated barcode and by scanning the manufacturer's barcode that will appear here. So either you can go with the system generated default barcode. Otherwise, as an option, you can scan the manufacturer's barcode, what is printed in the product, and can apply it. Suppose I am keeping the default barcode here. The way we customize the barcode here also, what is the product name you have mentioned in the product name area, that will appear here in the barcode sticker. Always the product name will be very lengthy, and if you want to keep, instead of a lengthy product name, if you want to mention only a small description in the barcode sticker, that you can customize here. For example, I want to mention only 3-piece set in the barcode sticker. You can customize it. The product name, what is to be printed in the barcode sticker. Here, whenever you create an item, system will automatically assign an SKU for this product. So you can internally you can identify all your product uniquely with this SKU number. This is category, subcategory, child subcategory number accompanied with the product number, the unique product number, that will be generated by the system as default. Once you have entered all this optional information, by clicking the save button, we can save this item. Here we can see product created successfully. Later, if you want to modify this product, suppose the information you have entered you wish to modify, by pressing this modify button, system will ask us which product you want to modify. I want to modify the product Churidar 3-piece set. By choosing the product from the list and by pressing the enter key, whatever information you have given while creating this item, that will appear in this window. Which information you want to modify, that you can modify here. Suppose the rack information I have entered by mistake while creating this item. Instead of A50, I want to mention it as B50. After making the change, by pressing the save button, we can modify this item. Once the item is creation is completed, if you want to generate or print the barcode stickers of this product, by simply clicking this barcode button, the user interface for generating barcode will appear. From this list, you can choose which product's barcode you wish to generate. Choose the product, and here you have to mention how many copies of barcode sticker you want to print. Mention here. Suppose you want to generate 10 barcode sticker. Enter the copies as 10, and by pressing the print button, barcode printer will generate 10 barcode stickers of the product you have selected here. Similarly, if you want to see the complete stock register, if you want to modify the retail selling price, wholesale selling price, or if you wish to set any fixed discount against each product or any selected product, for that, from the main menu, here you can see set price stock register option. In the previous case, you can edit or modify the product information individually. Only one item's information you can change at a time. In this feature, whatever items you have created already, that will appear in this list. Which products information you want to update, you can very easily move to the desired products and you can change the retail price, wholesale price and discount information. Here we can see this is the item we have created just now, Churidar 3-piece set. Here we can see the MRP we have mentioned was 1400. The cost price is 900. The retail selling price we have given at the time of creating this item was 1350. The wholesale price we have set is 1300. If you want to change this price, you can change it here. For example, I wish to sell this product at MRP rate only. Retail price I am keeping as 1400 and rate wholesale price I wish to keep as 1350. Suppose I want to give a 50 rupees as a flat discount against this item. We can set it here. It is not compulsory that even if you set the extra discount while making the sales invoice, system will display you this is the maximum allowed discount against this product. If you want, you can give this discount. Otherwise, you can remove this discount while generating the sales invoice. So this is an implicit communication between you and your salesperson, that you are giving a permission to the salesperson that depend upon the situation or volume of sales, either you can give this discount up to 50, otherwise you can cancel it. So the meaning is you are giving a permission to the salesperson that up to this amount you can give as a discount against this product. Either you can enter the discount as a flat amount irrespective of the quantity. It means if the quantity is 1 or quantity is 2 or quantity is 100, discount will be 50. If you want to give the discount based on the quantity, here you have to mention extra discount percentage. Either the fixed discount, otherwise the discount percentage. Either one you can kept at a time against a product. Let me save this revise wholesale price, retail price and extra discount. Let me save these changes. Now we will try to make a sales invoice for this item. Here I am choosing the Churidar 3-piece set. Look, here we can see MRP of the product appeared as 1400. We have revised our retail selling price as 1400. Here you can see the extra discount column, that 50 appeared here. It is not compulsory that you have to keep this 50 as discount. If you want to give, we can keep it here, or if you want to give only 25 rupees, we can change it to 25, or if you want to remove this discount or cancel this extra discount, we can keep it as 0. It means it is not mandatory that even if you keep any extra discount, while making the sales invoice, we can remove it. Similarly, here we can see our pricing mode is retail. Similarly, suppose the same item. Now here we can see the pricing mode by default appeared is retail. It means we are selling this product at the moment in retail pricing mode. Here suppose whenever I choose an item with a discount that we have set already, that will appear here. Either we can keep or we can remove that discount. Suppose I am removing the discount. Since we have selected the pricing mode as retail, here we can see RTL. A short description of the pricing mode is appeared here. By saying this, we can identify easily whether this product we have sold in retail price or any other special price. Let us see what is the difference. Again, I am choosing the same item. Here we can see the price is 1400 because the pricing mode at the moment is retail. Let us remove this line again and let me change the pricing mode. Now I am choosing the pricing mode as wholesale. Now let us choose the same item. Whenever I choose the pricing mode as wholesale, here we can also see the heading. Item list heading is also showing wholesale. It means the billing is in wholesale mode. Here we can see the WHL as the short description of this wholesale appeared here. The previous time we have selected the item in retail mode. That is the reason what is the retail price we have fixed that appeared here as 1400. Second time when we selected the item in wholesale mode, what was the wholesale price we have set, that will appear in this price area. So in this way we can assign 7 different pricing mode depend upon the nature of your business. You can utilize these features. Here we can mention retail price, wholesale price, special price, super, deluxe, premium and corporate. So up to 7 levels of pricing method is available in Brainweaver's retail management system. Other than this, there is one more pricing method available here. By pressing the mouse right button in the home screen, we can see set price, and in the set price, the top bottom side we can see set price level based on the quantity. It means in some businesses, based on the sales quantity, we can define price ranges. For example, if a customer is buying 50 quantity of an item, we can set a special price as well as discount against that item. For example, 50 to 100, I want to give a price of 8 rupees of this product, and 100 to 200, if a customer is buying the quantity 100 to 200, that time I want to keep the price as 7. The similar way, 3 levels of quantitative price level we can fix in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. If any of the product we have set multiple quantitative price level, whenever the salesperson entered a quantity, system will automatically change the price based on the price level, quantity wise price level we have fixed here. So this method is also available. We can make use of these price levels, multiple price level based on the quantity, depend upon the nature of your business. Other than this, retail selling price and wholesale selling price we can fix manually. Special, super, deluxe, premium and corporate. All these prices, it is not required to update these prices against each and every item. Instead of that, here we can mention the profit percentage. For the special, I have put the profit percentage as 10. It means I want to fix a selling price with a profit of 10 percentage. System will automatically set a selling price with a profit of 10 percentage. For the super rate, I have set the profit percentage as 9. It means whenever you make a sales invoice, if the pricing mode is super, system will automatically assign a selling price based on your cost price with a profit of 9 percentage. In this way, you can manage various price levels in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. Creation of item, grouping of item, setting the prices and discount. This is the major setup a user have to update in the system. Rest everything system will do automatically whenever you make sales and purchases. So there are various more features accompanied with this item creation that we will discuss in the next session. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.